Home security systems are becoming increasingly popular among homeowners who wish to keep their houses safe from burglars and other intruders. There are many products available to choose from for home security systems, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1, Ring Alarm 14-Piece Kit, 2nd Gen. The Ring Alarm 14-Piece Kit, 2nd generation, is a do-it-yourself home security system designed for 2 to 4 bedroom households. It has a base station, 2 keypads, 8 touch sensors, 2 motion detectors, and a range extender. The package also includes a more user-friendly keypad with emergency buttons and smaller contact sensors that integrate effortlessly into your house. The Ring app allows you to get smartphone notifications, change alarm modes, and monitor all of your Ring devices. Alexa Guard also allows you to arm and disarm the system and receive mobile notifications for the sound of shattered glass or smoke alarms. The best features: easy to set up, intuitive keypad with emergency buttons, mobile notifications and monitoring through the Ring app. It works with Alexa for voice control and alerts. Number 2, Yzeal Alarm System for Home Security. Yzeal House Security Alarm is a customizable alarm system that protects your entire house. The system contains an alarm base station, contact sensors for windows and doors, an anti-pet motion detector, and siren-equipped remote controllers. With dual-band Wi-Fi support, you can quickly connect to your home network. The alarm system also works with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to operate it with voice commands. The motion sensor covers the entire room and is pet-friendly. Installation is simple, making it ideal for condominiums and flats. The wireless door sensor employs Hall technology to reduce false alerts. The app allows you to adjust your home security settings and receive real-time notifications when an alarm is activated. With a 120 decibel siren and warning light, the Yzeal home security alarm is an effective deterrent to burglars. The best features: customizable alarm system, dual-band Wi-Fi compatibility, voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant. Number 3, Arlo Essential Spotlight Wireless Camera. The Arlo Spotlight Camera is a wireless home security system that has innovative capabilities to provide more safety. With its broad 130-degree viewing angle and 1080p video recording capacity, you can capture great details of your home. The camera also has color night vision, which allows you to see vital details such as faces or license plates even in low-light circumstances. With its smarter alerts, you may receive notifications for people, cars, and deliveries, allowing you to respond quickly when necessary. Furthermore, the 100% wireless design makes installation easier since it connects straight to your Wi-Fi without the need for a hub. Overall, the Arlo Spotlight Camera is a dependable and handy solution for your home security. The best features: 1080p video, color night vision, smarter alerts. Number 4, SimpliSafe 8-piece wireless home security system. The SimpliSafe wireless home security system is an easy-to-install and highly secure solution that does not require any wire or drilling. With optional 24/7 expert surveillance, you can receive faster police reaction time in the event of an emergency. The SimpliSafe app lets you operate your system from anywhere and get notifications. Entry and motion sensors secure your house by sending alarms whenever someone attempts to enter or move around it. You may personalize your system by adding sensors to each room, window, and entrance. The device is compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. The best features: easy to set up with no wiring or drilling required. Optional 24/7 professional monitoring for faster police response time. Customizable sensors for every room, window, and door. Number 5, UFI Security 5-piece Home Alarm Kit. The UFI Security 5-piece Home Alarm Kit is easy to install and has no monthly costs. It comprises entrance sensors, a motion sensor, and a keypad, all of which can be installed in minutes. Users may receive fast warnings from the Wi-Fi security app whenever motion or a breach is detected. Additionally, an optional 24/7 professional monitoring service is now available for emergency police, fire, and medical response when the alarm system is activated. The set contains the home base, keypad, motion sensor, 2 entry sensors, owner's handbook, and happy card. The best features: easy to install in minutes without professional help. No monthly fees are required. Instant alerts via the Wi-Fi security app. An optional 24/7 professional monitoring service is available. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.